over. It's over.
Stop! Don't
That's
do
it.
that.
It's over.
Stop it.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
over.
Stop it.
It's over. She's gonna fall.
Hi, Peanut. What you doing? What you doing, Peanut?
Walking.
Are you walking for the first time?
Oh, look at this. This is the
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Peanut. Come here.
Oh my gosh, she's dude, I told you we needed to buy this thing.
Girl.
Yay, Phoenix!
Oh my gosh, she's gonna be. She's gonna be.
Yay, baby Phoenix!
Girl.
really have to.
What a big girl.
She's gonna run into the wall.
Now what? Now what, Peanut? Now what, Peanut? What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now?
She's how old?
10 months.
Just turned 10 months the other day.
Let's go this way. Come on.
Oh.
We got
Wait a minute, she might. Come on.
Yeah, 'cause I mean,
Peanut girl.
Oh, look at. Oh, she's got it down.
the one when she's in your hands.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
That was that day after she.
I know that.
Hi.
That was just gorgeous.
Hello.
She said, well, yeah.
She's doing
Girl,
it.
that's a big girl. You gonna get around now?
Oh yeah.
That's
yeah.
a big
That was real for her to be that young and to photograph that.
Girl.
It was almost like she was like, okay, I'll post it.
That's a
That's
big
exactly
girl.
what she said. When I put her in my hand.
Oh, good girl, Phoenix. Yay! Yay!
Good job.
Good
Good
That's
job.
the one.
Let's go back that way. Go to mama. Go to mama.
Come on.
Yay! Good girl. That's a big girl. There you go, mama.
Come to mama.
There you go, mama.
Oh, look at her. Dude, she has got it down.
Off to the races now.
She has got it down. Oh, wipe out. Yay!
That's a
Yay!
big great job.
She's walking just in time to get ready for the next one.
Yep. Just in time.
That's funny. How
Bye-bye. Bye.
Dude, she's trying to go so fast. Look at her.
On the roll. She's like, I'm gone, buddy. I'm gone.
This is too funny.
I'm gonna keys to the car now.
Oh my goodness. My baby's walking.
Mm-hmm.
That is too funny.
Where you going? She's gonna run right over the dog stuff. Oh no, she looked.
She did.
Oh.
Good girl.
Her dishwasher broke.
Oh, sucks.
You know, when I lived in my house like almost 2 years before I even used my